Hi. In this short tutorial, we will see how to create service appointment requests on the web-based Edge ERP system. Open Chrome browser and enter the following address. Enter the username and password to log in to Edge ERP web portal for service appointment requests. This is the home screen upon login where these dashboards are available for viewing. The logged in user's name can be seen in the top left-hand corner. The breadcrumbs here show which function the user is currently on. Today's service appointments and service appointment requests can be seen here. Monthly overview of service appointments given based on service appointment requests raised can be seen here. Monthly summary of service appointments and service appointment requests can be seen here. Total number of notifications can be seen on the bell icon here. On clicking the bell icon, a notification detail pop-up will open, and clicking on Notify will list all different notifications available for the user. Clicking on View will list the notification details for viewing only. The menu on the left hand provides navigation of the functionality available for the logged in user based on the user rights defined. Menu can be collapsed either by clicking on the burger menu on the top right corner or the left arrow under the menu on the left. Menu will still be available on hover on the left. In order to create a new service appointment request, click on Service Appointment Request in the menu. Clicking on the New button will open the new Service Appointment Request entry form. Service Appointment Request number is auto-generated and filled in by default. Service Appointment Request date is the current server date and is filled in by default. Status is filled in by default and will be open in case of new service appointment request. The school or unit is filled in based on the logged in user and is disabled for selection. The vehicle registration or DAX number must be selected from this drop-down. Vehicles can be searched by their UFID code, DAX code, registration number or name as required. Once the vehicle is selected, then the maintenance type, either corrective or preventive, needs to be selected. If corrective is selected, then the category will list non-accidental and warranty, and either one needs to be selected. Request location needs to be selected here. Complaints against the vehicle must be entered here by selecting the complaint codes. Multiple complaints can be selected and filled at once as required. Please note that the complaint description will populate only by clicking on Fill Selected. If preventive maintenance is selected, then the category will list frequency, mileage, and general. If category frequency is selected, then the frequency code needs to be selected next. Frequency description will fill based on the frequency code selected. If category mileage is selected, then the mileage code needs to be selected next. Mileage description will fill based on the mileage code selected. Category general will not be used. The request location needs to be selected here. Optionally, additional complaints against the vehicle can be entered here by selecting the complaint codes. Multiple complaints can be selected and filled at once as required. Please note that complaint description will populate only by clicking on Fill Selected. The request by is filled in by default based on the logged in user and cannot be changed. Remarks can be used for any additional comments or remarks that need to be entered for this service appointment request. Clicking on Save here will save this service appointment request entry, and Edge will automatically send out email notifications to the logged in user as well as all the defined garage users. Notification will also be available on each individual user login, school and garage on the bell icon. These buttons, all today, month, and week, will list existing service appointment requests that have been created earlier. Closed service appointment requests are highlighted in green. Clicking on View in the list will open the selected service appointment request. The service appointment requests can be printed using the Print button if required. The Mail and Mail Preview buttons can be used to resend the notification email if required. In order to log out of the system, the Sign Out button is available on the top right-hand side of the screen. Please feel free to contact us if you have any questions or clarifications. Thank you.